Hello and welcome back to my channel Anshika Goyal Illustrator, and it's time to level up your illustrations. So we are going to render denim today, and for that you need a sharp object. Yes, you can take compass or a blank refill pen so that you can give textures that we are giving right now. What texture we need to give is line textures. If you can see a denim jeans closely, watch out, there will be some lines, there will be a rough texture in that. So for that, what we need to do is take a sharp object, like here I'm taking safety pin and I'm making horizontal as well as vertical lines over here, keeping in mind the movement of my figure. I'm not giving it proper straight, I'm just following the movement of my leg and making the horizontal as well as vertical lines. You can do it with compass or maybe blank refill pen. After the texture is done, you need to have a Staedtler pencil color, as it will not work in any kind of watercolor. So we need only dry colors here, so I'm giving a base coat of very light color, and then once the base coat is done, we will give finishing fold lines, our shades, etc. with a darker pencil. So here I'm giving the darker lines so that our folds can be visible, and then we can smudge it well. And here the texture is quite visible now. You can see line textures coming over here. So that texture will come with a sharp object, and that step we have to do before any base coat. So here we need to take care of all our shades, all our fold lines, wherever our crease is falling, wherever the detailings are given like zipper, button, loop, belt, etc. So keeping in mind all those aspects, we need to just give some lines, and after all the lines will be there, we know that where the shades are falling, we will smudge it. You can see I'm trying to merge it a bit, and the line direction is totally clear right now. You can see in the bottom we can see a lot of lines, horizontal and vertical. Also make sure when you give this texture, do it conjustedly. We need our lines to be conjusted. We don't want any space between them, so make sure about it that you just give the texture conjusted. Now I'm taking the light pencil again, and I'm smudging all over where I have given these fold lines with dark color. So we need to apply on it again and again, and do it with very light hand. We need to do it with very light hand because we have some textures to show. If we will apply the Staedtler very hard, so it is possible that our texture will fill with color, so that it will not be visible to us very nicely. So do it with very light hand, like I am doing. Rub it again and again, and see some very nice color is coming over here. So this is almost done. After that, taking the darker shade of blue, and again highlighting our folds very clearly. So I'm shading my folds again. I'm just reshading my lines, adding the shadows everywhere it is needed. I'm giving it there only. So also keep smudging it, and once everything is done, you can see this is a wet brush. There is no droplet over there, and I'm just applying it all over where I have given this darker shade. I'm not merging it so much, but just applying it over. That's it. And a very nice effect, very nicely folds are being visible right now. Our jeans is almost done. And make sure that आपका shade खराब ना हुआ हो. Reshade it again if you think that your shade has been spoiled or has been disappear. Once everything is cleared, then give the shades again. It's basically shadow. Why we use black color? For the shadow. So wherever the shadow falls, we need to give some black touches over there. So here on the fold area, I'm giving these black touches. And clearly you can just observe here that I'm not filling it much with black. I'm just giving some touches. The shades of blue are still visible. So we need to make sure about it. We are not going to fill it all over, but we have to give touches. After everything is done, come up to your hair and leave some part of white as it is to show the shine, and fill another part with Stedler. White space is for the shine area. After that, apply black color a bit, not fill it very much, but just giving some touches of it. And hairs are almost done. You can give some line textures with the pen, and then it will be all done. Now the last step is to give finishing, and as I always say, outlining is the best way to give finishing. So I'm making all the stitch line, fold lines, outlining it. You have to make sure once the rendering part is done, you have to make sure to add each and every detailing of the fabric of the garment. Like in jeans, there is button that comes, zipper, stitch lines. So you need to show all of that. See, I'm just doing the stitch line and everything is done. The denim texture is coming out very well. What you need to do is give the texture with a sharp object and then do it with a dry color. And this is done. Hope you guys love the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.